Hi guys, Filipino Vlogs here for today's video guys. Magsisit up ako ng what mommy's gonna sit up kuya?
Trampoline.
Trampoline. Here guys, I will trampoline. Yeah. And I'm gonna sit up right now. Okay, samahan nyo ako guys. Yeah, and here all the instruction outside. How to sit up. Good luck for me. Say good luck to mommy.
That's mommy.
Ako yung nagsisit up kasi yung asawa ko ayaw niya mag-sit up ng mga ganito. And someone's really excited here. Okay guys. Here's inside guys. All the is the net. And is the just put in there, kuya. Kuya, stop it. All the
This is mommy.
someone's hiding. And there guys.
This is mine.
Select that. Hang, then I'm gonna hang all of that first. Then after, I'm gonna put the trampoline for the jumping one. Okay guys, I'm gonna put all of this first. Then see you later on. Hey guys, I put all the spring. How many spring kuya?
43.
48. 48 spring. Nathan counting all the spring. Now, I'm gonna put this thing. Okay. Okay guys, update you later. It's really hard because I'm just holding one hand in the phone and one hand on this. It's hard if I'm gonna, because Nathan's really annoying if Nathan's put it. Okay guys, see you later on. Okay guys, you need to use a hook. You need, I think when I finish this, my hands are really numb because I need to do a lot of force to do it. Crazy. I need to put this. I need to put this in here and try all my force to put all this thing, and it's a little bit hard. I need to relax. Oh, it's really hard. It's not easy. Then after that, at least the kids can jumping around. It's not really good weather in here, guys. It's a little bit cloudy now. I need to finish this before rain start.
Let's turn that.
Yes. Hey guys, 5 more left to pull. Ah, running out of breath here. For the sake of the kids doing it. Okay guys, I finished. Next, I need to put this one, like a paddle one, in case the kids gonna hit, will not get hurt themselves, because this have a foam. There's all this in here. You need to attach only underneath. This one you need to tie so it's not moving. Okay guys, I'm gonna do this. Okay guys, fit all the paddle. Next, put in there. Next you need to do the knot for, you need to put knot for the stand to protect, not fall down. That's the next step. I'm gonna put some nuts on it.
Yeah, nuts.
Just update my trampoline. And my supervisor already get up.
If there's any guys watching, my DIY tip of the day is marry the DIYer and watch her do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that now. Next, I'm gonna put the screen. I'm gonna put that now. Yeah. Hi guys, update sa trampoline ko. Hindi pa tapos. Look my hand. I'm gonna finish tomorrow morning because it's really dark outside now. I'm gonna show you tomorrow when I finish. Okay guys. Bye for now. Hey guys, finally I finished my trampoline. It's my trampoline, guys. They have in the manual, they put in there 4 to 6 hours for 2 people, but only me doing yesterday. And so I finish. They got toys in there because Nathan and Daniels bring some toys and jumping around early in the morning. And it's not really easy, guys. It's a little bit hard. Need all your strength. And today my body's aching to do. As long the kids happy. And I'm finished my trampoline assemble. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.